Hey everybody, Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our retractable bed step on this 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500 and 3500 truck. Let's get into it. Introducing our retractable bed step for 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. Our retractable bed steps make it easy to hop up into your bed of your truck regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and effortlessly retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile setup makes it convenient to access the bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. We're going to start by installing the frame mounting brackets to the linkage arm assembly.
We're going to start by taking two of the combination bolts and hand threading them into the top two threaded holes. Then I'm going to take the 13mm hex bolt, the locking washer, and a flat washer and hand thread that into the last hole.
Then we're going to tighten all three of these fully. Next, we're going to take our support bracket and our two remaining combo bolts and install it onto our frame mounting bracket. Just hand tighten these for now. You're going to adjust them later on. Next, we're going to take our step pad, flip it over so we get access to our two C-channels here. We're going to take two T-bolts per channel, insert them just like this.
Now go ahead and line up the step pad with the linkage arm, lining up one bolt per slot. Then add a flat washer and a locking nut to each, just hand tightening it this time. Okay, so we're over here on the driver's side rear bumper, and we're going to be working in this corner here. Before we mount our step pad, we're going to have to remove a couple of factory bolts. We're going to be reusing them though to remount the brackets. So, the first bolts we're going to need to remove are going to be these two 24mm bolts here. Depending on your truck, the mounting location for the step may look slightly different to what is seen here, though the hardware and steps for installation are the same. Before mounting the step, if your vehicle is equipped with this large connector block, just pull it free from its mounting location and push it aside. Once we know we're not going to pinch anything and we have our harnesses out of the way, we can bring our mechanism up and start aligning the brackets. We're going to start with the two 16mm bolts that we removed, leaving them just hand tightened at this time. Okay guys, before we reinstall our two 24mm bolts, we're going to go ahead and grab this large flat washer and install that onto the bolt that mounts in the top location. Now we can thread in our two 24mm bolts. Just remember, the one that we installed the large flat washer on is going to go in the top position. Now we can proceed with tightening down our 24mm bolts. Then we'll move on to tightening down the 16mm bolts. Now we can finish tightening down the last 13mm bolts on the support bracket. Once all your hardware is tightened down, remount the connector block to the frame. The last thing we're going to do for the install is adjust our step pad. The pad is 4-way adjustable, so you can move it where you want. Once you're happy, snug down the 4 13mm bolts on the step.
That about wraps it up for the installation of the retractable bed step on this 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500 and 3500 truck. If you like that retractable bed step, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all the products we have to offer for your build, like these cab lights, along with these tow mirror lights on this truck. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.